Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today I'm sharing 7 hidden Google Photos tricks for your PC that will help you upload faster, organize smarter, and keep your photos in original quality. Stick around till the end because the final tip is one even advanced users miss. Number 1. Drag and drop. Uploads instantly. This trick saves time by letting you upload photos faster without clicking through menus, making Google Photos backups on your PC quick and effortless. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your web browser, go to photos.google.com, and sign in to the Google account where you want your photos backed up. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before uploading large files. Step 2. Open File Explorer on your PC and navigate to the folder containing the photos or videos you want to upload. You can select a single file, multiple files, or an entire folder at once. Step 3. Click and hold the selected files, then drag them directly into the Google Photos browser window. You'll see a visual indicator confirming the upload is about to start. Step 4. Release the mouse button and allow Google Photos to upload your files automatically. Keep the browser tab open until the upload progress bar completes to ensure everything is backed up successfully. Number 2. Download photos in original quality. This ensures you keep full resolution and detail when saving photos to your PC, which is essential for editing, printing, or long-term backups. Let's do it! Step 1. Open photos.google.com in your browser and sign into your Google account. Navigate to the photo or video you want to download. Step 2. Click on the photo to open it in full view or hold Shift to select multiple photos at once. This lets you download several files together. Step 3. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and select Download. Google Photos will prepare the file in its original uploaded quality. Step 4. If you selected multiple items, Google Photos will download them as a zip file. Extract the zip on your PC to access all files at full resolution. Number 3. Use favorites as a smart filter. Favoriting photos helps you quickly separate important images from clutter, making it easier to find your best memories or key documents anytime. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open photos.google.com on your PC and sign into your Google account. Browse through your photo library. Step 2. Click on any photo you want to highlight and select the star icon to add it to favorites. You can favorite multiple photos in seconds. Step 3. Open the Favorites section from the left menu to instantly view all starred photos. This creates a smart filter for your most important images. Step 4. Use favorites to organize key moments, work-related images, or documents. This makes searching and managing your library faster and more efficient. Number 4. Hide photos using Archive. Archiving photos helps keep your main library organized by hiding less important or private photos, without deleting them, making browsing easier on a PC. Let's do it! Step 1. Open Google Photos in your web browser and sign into your account. Step 2. Select the photos you want to hide by hovering over them and clicking the checkmark in the top left corner. Step 3. Click the 3-dot menu icon at the top right corner and select Archive from the drop-down. Step 4. The selected photos are now moved to the archive, hiding them from the main photo feed but keeping them accessible anytime. Step 5. To view archived photos, click Archive in the left-hand menu where you can unarchive any photo if needed. Number 5. Remove location data from photos. Removing location data protects your privacy and prevents location info from being shared when you send photos, which is essential for safe photo management on a PC browser. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open Google Photos in your web browser and sign into the Google account where your photos are stored. Make sure you're on the correct account if you have multiple accounts. Step 2. Click on the photo you want to remove location data from to open it in full view. Step 3. Click the Info icon in the top right corner to open the Details panel, where you can see metadata like date, camera info, and location. Step 4. If a location is listed, click the pencil icon next to the location information to enable editing. Step 5. Delete the location or replace it with a neutral value, then click Save to permanently remove the location data from that photo. Number 6. Edit photos directly in browser. Editing photos directly in Google Photos on your PC lets you enhance and adjust images quickly without extra software, keeping your library organized and polished. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Go to photos.google.com in your web browser and sign into your account. Then click on the photo you want to edit to open it in full view. Step 2. Click the Edit pencil icon at the top right corner to access Google Photos web editing tools. Step 3. Use adjustments to change brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, and color saturation for precise photo tuning. Step 4. Apply filters like Enhance, Vivid, or other one-click options to give your photo a quick style boost. Step 5. Use Crop and Rotate to change aspect ratios, straighten images, or focus on specific areas. Step 6. Try Markup to add simple lines or text, keeping in mind web editing is limited compared to mobile tools. Step 7. Note that AI tools like Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur are mostly restricted to mobile apps, so they aren't available on the PC browser. Number 7. Identify large photos and videos. Using the Storage Manager helps you locate and manage the biggest files in your Google Photos account, making it easier to free up storage on a PC browser. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open photosgoogle.com in your browser and sign in, then click the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Manage Storage from the Settings menu to open the Storage Management tool. Step 3. Scroll to the Large Photos and Videos section, where files are automatically sorted by size for easy review. Step 4. Click on a file to preview it and use the checkbox to select multiple files you want to delete or manage. Step 5. Verify the file sizes. The tool typically highlights items larger than 5 MB, and delete any unnecessary files. Be aware that deleted files are permanently removed from your account, not just sent to trash. And that's it for today's tips. If these Google Photos tricks helped you out, hit like, subscribe to Techie Dialogue, and turn on notifications so you never miss a smart tech upgrade. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip, and I'll see you in the next video.